Okay, here we are at the Mantis Plant Laboratory. This is in Marikina, right next to Manila in the Philippines. And these are a lot of the plants we use to test out different pot concepts for SunPot. So these are some early prototypes that are made out of wood. And we're growing all kinds of different vegetables and plants here. These are kangkong, snow peas, we've got lettuce, looks like, baguio beans, over there looks like, what are those, okra, and honeydew, mustard greens. All of these are coming up in different pots that we use to experiment with different designs for the pots, as well as different ways of watering them. This here is one of our sun dots. This one is powered just by solar energy. You can see that LED there is lit up. That's coming off of this solar panel. It's neat to know that this is actually in the shade. The sun is over that way. But it's still got enough energy to turn on. And looking in here, at the very bottom level, there's the water reservoir. Then up here, there's the pump and an Arduino with control electronics. And also space for a battery pack, which in this one I haven't put in batteries. And then at the top, there's a light and a moisture sensor, which is buried down in here. And then a number of plants. This guy's growing tomatoes, kangkong, and spinach. So they're coming up, and all this guy does, it's got a drip irrigation pipe that's buried inside here. You can see a little bit of it. And it just continually checks the moisture sensor, and if it runs too low, pumps up a bit of water, all with solar energy, to keep the soil at the right moisture level. There it is. This guy's got maybe a liter of water, give or take, and depending on the amount of moisture the plants need, that can be enough to run it for several weeks without any intervention. I just leave it here, the system will grow the plants. Bada bing. Over here, we have a different design for a SunPot. So, flipping these guys around, there's a water reservoir canister here, and then over here, we have a couple different pots coming out the side, of course with the solar panel as well. And this has a battery pack it's storing, that stores up energy. And then similarly it has a couple LEDs, a moisture sensor buried in there, and a drip irrigation line. And here's the pump. It's a very, very simple system. There's very little that can go wrong. These are pumps that can run for an awful long time, and we're really only turning them on for a couple minutes a day. And we just try to make this something that can run without needing any additional energy or input or thought or interference. Just add water.